How to put border in MS Word Mobile. First of all, open up your Word application. Now at the top right corner, tap on the plus icon. Now select blank document. Now tap on the A with pencil icon and tap on Home. Now go to Insert and select blank page. Again tap on Insert. Now scroll down a bit and select text box. Now adjust this size to make your border. Now copy it. Now go back to the first page and tap on paste. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.